Japan Toy Collector. This, and I am Reality Me. So, this is the toy number 1. Pikachu, I choose you. This toy is a two set. The set number 1 is Water Pokeball Splash. There's a small water here and small button here. There. And the set number 2 is the Bubble Splash. The bubble set. There. So that's all. Toy number 1, Pikachu. And thank you and goodbye. Advance Merry Christmas.